Hi, I'm Darryl Youngquist, nursery buyer for English Gardens. We carry more than 80 varieties of hydrangeas. We love hydrangeas. But how do you know which one is right for you? You see them in our store looking beautiful in a pot, but what do they look like as a mature plant? Well, let me show you. I have more than 40 different varieties of hydrangeas in my yard. 4 out of the 5 hardy varieties of hydrangeas suitable for Michigan gardens. These are quickfire hydrangea. We also have little lime and limelight hydrangea in this hedge. You have to remember that deer also love hydrangea. I've planted these in the front because I have deer and they'll grow taller than the deer will get. So you can see the line where the deer are eating them, but still plenty of flowers above that. My other hydrangeas are planted in the backyard. I've got a 6-foot fence around them to keep the deer out. This is a climbing hydrangea. It's mid-July and the blooms are past their prime, but you can see it's a great plant for vertical interest. They do need something to grow on like a tree or an arbor. I like to plant them at the base of trees and let them grow up. These are arborescent hydrangea or smooth hydrangea. They are the hardiest of all the hydrangeas. They include varieties like the traditional Annabelle and the newer proven winner varieties of the Invincibles and Incredibles. I have many varieties intermixed in the beds for a beautiful tall border or medium hedge. These are quercifolia or oak leaf hydrangea. They've been in bloom for a few weeks and are starting to turn light pink. And these are the macrophylla or big leaf hydrangeas. These are probably the most challenging of all the hydrangeas because many of them bloom on old wood. Michigan winters can be really tough and cause a lot of dieback on the stems, thus removing the flower buds. The one species I don't have in the yard is serrata or mountain hydrangea. They're a lace-cap flower and they are hardier than the macrophylla types. I've just run out of room in my yard. That's a quick overview of all the different hydrangea species. Come into any English garden store. We'll help pick out the one that's right for you. I'm Darryl Youngquist, helping make life beautiful by making gardening easier.